Did it taste yellow? Good morning from Yellow Springs, Ohio. We're pretty excited to be checking this place out. I'm not gonna lie, both of us have kind of had some like post-Hawaii depression, I guess, since we got home. And so we thought it would be fun to kind of get out of the city, you know, do something new. We're heading towards the Yellow Spring, which is where the city gets its name. I don't really know what to expect other than I think it's some yellow rocks.
They look orange in the picture.
We even got potholes on the trail. How'd that natural spring water taste?
Delicious.
Was
Mineral
it cold
infused.
and fresh?
What?
Did it taste yellow?
No, it tasted clear.
I hear more rushing water. I get excited when I hear the rushing water because we've never been here, so we don't know like what's around the corner. So it's very exciting. Ancient cave drawings.
Wow, I wonder what they mean.
Mysterious. Stay out of the water.
Says the man.
Katie really wants to swim in there.
Like there's all these springs and stuff in Florida that you can just go like swim in.
You think you own whatever land you land on.
Right? Whoever landed on this land decided it was theirs.
Yeah.
No one else was allowed to swim in it. That's Ohio.
Little frog.
Yeah, but I was just saying, he reminds me of
He's so
the tiny one that I found. He's like quarter size. I found one that was like microscopic in Epcot one time.
Yeah, I remember you saved his life.
He's so cute. Kiss him. It's a no. Yeah, because he was
How
in
did
the
you see
pond.
that? I can barely see
He was
him.
jumping, so I saw something jump.
Well, we found some river access where there's no sign saying we can't go in the water, and Katie is very happy.
Yeah, I'm not getting out.
So many stairs. How come every hike we do has so many stairs?
It's never easy to get somewhere good.
Question everything, but don't swim.
It was like up on me and I tried to get
What
it away
was?
and it weird bug.
Weird bug.
And then it was like mirror.
That's some nice beet juice you got there.
I love this beet juice.
Would you say that it's helping you beat the heat?
Yes. It is. I kind of want to be inside, so I don't really care about a patio. The
This bench is watching us. It has eyeballs. We're on the hunt for some air conditioning. We're both getting very hot and tired, but we're really liking Yellow Springs so far. I guess it's like a hippie city. It's got a lot of cool art and stores, and Dave Chappelle lives here sometimes.
Jordan saw him.
Maybe, I'm not so
Pretty
sure.
sure it was, yeah.
I think it was him. How's it feel to be at America's oldest tavern? Ohio's oldest tavern.
Smells old inside. It's nice that we got the best seat. They put us by all these plants.
By these plants.
Nobody else gets to sit by the plants, just us.
Nope, just us. I pick up some camp ice and we had to walk from the gas station. And I can't feel my fingers right now. It's so cold.
Well, we were getting hot, weren't we?
We don't want our stuff to get hot.
Okay, well now you gotta get the keys out. Oh. It says don't run in circles. It's our first time doing this and we don't know what we're doing. It looks funny. No, you didn't close it fast enough.
Huh?
I don't think you closed it fast enough. No, don't go in circles. Close it. Are you sure it's filled enough? No, that doesn't look full enough. Maybe it is.
Oh, this is real comfy. I might just sleep out here.
It's loud in my ears.
Just don't move around too much. I'm glad that it's dark and you can't tell how sweaty I am because it's still like super hot out and we're both just wiped from today. Like hiking and then walking around town in the sun all day took a lot out of us. So I think we're just gonna chill here by the fire for the rest of the night and then turn it in. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming along on this little camping adventure with us. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to create the life that you love and we'll see you later. Bye.